Hey everybody, today we have a 2016 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT 63S for sale, and we're going to do a quick video walk-around tour just showing you some of the features of this vehicle. And then of course, if you're interested in learning more or you want to set up a test drive, you can always reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. This vehicle also is currently on our show floor, so definitely swing on by and check it out. So you can see this comes in a white exterior, and we got this really nice two-tone interior, with a lighter gray and then a much darker gray. We have the premium Burmester sound system upgraded speaker package. Got our driver's seat here, and sunroof. See AMG styling and badging throughout, such as here on the steering wheel. Right down here, on the seats, all over the place. All right, let's go ahead and hop inside. Okay. Mileage currently at 15,476. Do have a push button ignition. Listen to that baby purr. Good stuff. So here is our Mercedes-Benz display, currently showing navigation, backup camera, and we'll go over to our radio. There we go. So controlling the display there, you've got your touchpad here, which then you can just press down to select. You've also got a back button and whatnot. You've also got the turn dial here also. And below your display, you do have your climate controls here. There we go. There's also a climate menu. You can see right there. All right. We got a couple of cup holders, a cigarette lighter there. And then we've got all kinds of fun stuff to play with here in the middle. Here's your dynamic select switch, which is will affect how the vehicle performs for you on the road. You can hear when I kick it over into the Sport Plus and race modes, it activates the powerful exhaust setting there. It gives it a little more oomph out there on the road. You can also turn off your traction control here. You can adjust your suspension settings. There's a manual button for that powerful or balanced exhaust system. You can turn on and off the auto shut off if you're at a stop. And then here is our shifter. All right. Go ahead and hop out here. Okay. No rear seats in this particular vehicle. We'll look at the sunroof there. And then to open our trunk, we've got a switch right here. So coming around in the back, we've got our badging, AMG, Mercedes-Benz, and the GTS badging. And then here is our trunk, kind of a hatchback style. And while we're here, let's do one more quick peek back up front. All right, and that is the 2016 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT 63S. If you're interested in learning more, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.